Here are 3 essential app categories for young adults. First, navigation and location services. Reliable navigation apps are crucial for everyday life. Google Maps is a comprehensive option offering street-level views, real-time traffic updates, public transportation information, and location sharing capabilities. Second, financial management apps. Effective money management is key. PayPal, Venmo, Coinbase facilitate peer-to-peer payments, making it easy to split bills or send money to friends. Beyond these, it is crucial to utilize the mobile banking app provided by your bank or credit union. Third, communication and social media. Staying connected is very important. WhatsApp and Signal are popular messaging apps offering secure and encrypted communication. Email remains a vital tool for formal communication, job applications, and official correspondence, while social media apps like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook can be useful for staying connected. It is important to be mindful of their potential for distraction and negative impacts on mental well-being.